In the spiritual realm, it is said that you can create your own destiny. Then does it mean that astrology has no role to play?
Look, if anybody gives you any specific statement like this, claiming it is from the spiritual realm, tell them to go take a walk. True spirituality is about recognizing that all that is true is here and now alone. Now, if you look at things from the perspective of free will versus destiny, it's an age old argument. And the resolution is in understanding that as long as you see yourself in a limited form, as long as you think of yourself as this person that you are, I'm a man, I'm a woman, I'm a father, a mother, a daughter, a son, etc., and so many other roles that you play. Basically, you define yourself in limited terms. Then the question of both free will and destiny come into play. It will appear as though you have a free will in the context of everything else that is not you. Do you have free will about I mean, suppose you have you fall ill. Do you have free will to get well immediately? That is not your manifest experience. So clearly, free will is not always true. And is it always destined? Your own internal feeling tells you that is not so, that you can do something in order to influence something. All of these are mere appearances. When you do not see yourself in a limited light, then you can see it as complete free will. Everything that happens is, after all, your own will, and hence that is free. And everything that happens is destined in the context of your own will, because you willed it to be so, and that's the reason why it is destined to be so. This is the overall clarification, the overall understanding. That is what you need. In this context, what about astrology? Astrology is another attempt by human beings to get some kind of understanding, if not control, over the future. The problem with all these attempts, science actually is just one more such attempt. The problem with every single attempt of this kind is there is so much that you can know and know further. And in fact, in physics, this is formalized as a as a universally accepted fact now. But again, it's just a theory, in the sense that in case something goes against that, you could do that. But basically, every physicist will agree that there is a limit to how clearly you can know a particular thing, and then that is called the you know the uncertainty principle, and there are detailed derivations, detailed proofs for that, etc. So exactly as science also has a limit to how much can be known, similarly astrology also has a limit to how much can be known and how much can be controlled, how much can be influenced. And that's all there is to it. It has nothing to do with either free will or destiny.